I just found out about this shiny new lucrative strategy today, and I need to impart it to you straightforwardly so that I will have the option to help you in your excursion and bringing in cash on the web. It is so great to hear that you can bring in cash simply by utilizing your cell phones now. For that reason, I will be giving you some applications that you can introduce and use your cell phones or any cell phone. You got it right. Bring in cash out of it. Envision having the option to rest a large portion of the day, and when you awaken, you will be overwhelmed with notices of installments to your record. Isn't that the objective throughout everyday life? To bring in cash simply by working for several hours and loosening up the leftover hours away consistently. That is generally the objective for us online moneymakers, to bring in cash continually with less exertion, until it step by step turns into an automated revenue stream that can supply the majority of your monetary requirements later on. For yourself as well as your loved ones, I simply need to feature that this strategy needn't bother with some sort of aptitude or specialized abilities. You won't require a huge web-based entertainment following or any commitment. You won't offer anything to anybody. You will simply tap a couple of buttons and swipe a few screens on your cell phone. So natural. The best thing about this is it is accessible worldwide, so anybody with a cell phone can use the applications that I'll present to you. Be that as it may, before we start, try to buy into this feed and remember to tap on the notice chime, so at whatever point we transfer another video on the best way to bring in cash online, you will be refreshed and you can begin getting things going. Likewise, if it's not too much trouble, offer this video a major go ahead. And if at any time you have any worries, questions, or conclusions about the video, don't be bashful and simply leave a remark down underneath. Now let's get back to the video. But before we move on to the money-making websites, what we first should ensure is that we have our own PayPal accounts. This will smoothen the flow for us because once we have our PayPal accounts with us, the payments will then slowly come at easily and no hassle. With that, I want you to go to paypal.com and let's sign up for a free account on their homepage. Just click on this button to sign up. After that, you provide them with the necessary details needed to successfully create your account. By the way, make sure to input your proposal and correct email, because they will be sending you a verification email for them to ensure that you are legit, a person trying to register for a PayPal, an account with that done. Let's jump into the first application. Let's head to moocash.com. A pretty interesting name, right? Basically, what this site does is provide its user with a variety of advertisements that will make money off. So all you have to do as a user will be tapping a few buttons and just swiping the day away. I am still amazed that this method exists. I mean, you just have to swipe pages and tap buttons. That's simple. It sounds so unreal, but it's legit. I guarantee you. Now, to maximize this platform, I am going to give you this one tip for you to earn more than what is expected. It's like this: if you have a couple more devices to use, you can earn from them. If you install the applications on these extra devices, the more devices you have, the more money you will make. You can introduce this to your family and then let them join in on the fun, since all they have to do is a swipe and tap a few buttons and make it family affair. I mean, the pay isn't that big, but if you work on it with a little effort, you will gradually form a big amount. Shortly, this application is, by the way, available on both Android and Apple phones. So there are more reasons to try it out, right? I mean, you won't be doing anything, but you will be making a reasonable amount of money. Now, moving on to the next platform, which is Catch a Magnet. It's a catch a magnet. I'll explain later on. This application is quite a catch because you won't be doing anything with the app. You just need to download and register on this application. By the way, as I mentioned earlier, you need your PayPal account for the payment for this method. An application to reiterate. We won't be doing anything on this app. We just need to install it and open it every day in order to earn online money that you can directly withdraw using your PayPal. The only downside of this platform is that this is only available for Android users. You can check it on your mobile devices on the Play Store. You can download it right then and there. You can even play games on the app while you wait for the money. It may be weird to you. What I mean is that they will pay you to do absolutely nothing. On their application, you just do what you want. You can play games or just view and navigate their application. Again, this application does not and will not pay you an awful lot of money, because as you may know, you are not doing anything to make money. You just download it on your phone and check on it from time to time. To review, these apps will pay you a reasonable amount by just doing nothing. Both these apps are effective in their own little ways and will equate to larger savings in the future. Remember, you may think these apps don't pay much, but when you save them until you need the money, it will be sure a large amount when the time comes. You just need to do it consistently and willingly in order to develop this income stream. I mean, what more can you ask for? You're just doing nothing to make money, am I right? Whether you sleep, eat, exercise, or do anything that you want to, you will make money out of these apps. Overall, these applications are suitable for beginners, but it's also a steal for those in the online money making industry for quite some time. Now check it out of yourself and download them, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.